Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm not just talking about a vehicle. I'm talking about a trusted partner, a lifelong companion for every small business owner, every auto driver, and every hardworking person who dreams of building their future on three wheels. Yes, I'm talking about the Bajaj Maxima Z 2020, the auto rickshaw that became a legend the moment it hit the roads. When Bajaj introduced the Maxima Z in 2020, they weren't just launching another vehicle, they were giving us a powerful solution. A machine that could handle heavy loads, run day and night, and survive the toughest roads, all while saving fuel and reducing maintenance costs. It was designed with just one goal: to boost your earnings and make your life easier. Let me tell you why the Bajaj Maxima Z 2020 is not just special, it's one of the smartest investments you can ever make. First, let's talk about its heart, the powerful 470cc engine. This engine isn't just about speed, it's about strength. Strength to carry heavy cargo, strength to climb steep roads, and strength to keep running even after years of hard work. And brothers, let's not forget comfort, because we know how many hours a driver spends inside his vehicle. Bajaj gave the Maxima Z a larger cabin, with comfortable seats, better suspension, and a smooth gearbox, all designed to make your long shifts less tiring. Whether you're driving through narrow city lanes or bumpy village roads, this auto keeps you comfortable and in control. And for the cargo version, the large loading bay is perfect for transporting goods, vegetables, building materials, whatever your business needs. But wait, there's some big news for the future too. Bajaj is preparing to launch a hybrid version of the Maxima Z, a vehicle that combines petrol and electric power, giving you super low running costs and making your auto future ready for upcoming pollution laws. And that's not all. The new Maxima Z might also get digital meters, GPS tracking, and even Bluetooth connectivity so you can manage your entire business right from your phone. Imagine knowing your mileage, fuel costs, and service dates, all at your fingertips. There's even talk about AI technology where your auto itself will tell you if something is wrong before it breaks down. Predictive maintenance, saving you from sudden breakdowns and expensive repairs. So, if you are serious about your business, if you want to build your future on strong wheels, and if you believe that smart investment creates long-term success, then Bajaj Maxima Z is calling your name. That's it for today, brothers. If this video gave you valuable information, please like, share, and subscribe, because this channel is your channel, a place where you get real reviews, honest advice, and practical tips to help your business grow. See you in the next video with more updates, more vehicle reviews, and more insider news to help you make the smartest choices for your future. Take care, stay safe, and remember, every journey begins with the right vehicle.